Ever pondered over the mystery of factoring a quadratic expression? It's a lot simpler than you might think. Today, we're going to break down the process into manageable steps using the expression 16 minus 10x plus x squared. Step 1. Rewrite the expression in standard form. Standard form of a quadratic expression follows the pattern x squared plus bx plus c. So we rewrite our expression as x squared minus 10x plus 16. Step 2. Identify the coefficients of x squared x and the constant term. Here, the coefficient of x squared is 1, the coefficient of x is negative 10, and the constant term is 16. Step 3. Find two numbers that multiply to give the constant term and add up to give the coefficient of x. In our case, these two numbers are negative 8 and negative 2. Why? Because negative 8 times negative 2 equals positive 16, and negative 8 plus negative 2 equals negative 10. Step 4. Write the quadratic expression as a product of two binomials. A binomial is a polynomial with two terms. Given our numbers from step 3, the binomial forms are x minus 8 and x minus 2. Therefore, our quadratic expression x squared minus 10x plus 16 factors into x minus 8 times x minus 2. To summarize, factoring a quadratic expression requires 4 steps. First, write the expression in standard form. Second, identify the coefficients of x squared x and the constant term. Third, find two numbers that multiply to give the constant term and add to give the coefficient of x. Lastly, write the quadratic expression as a product of two binomials. And there you have it, a seemingly complex task simplified into 4 straightforward steps. So the next time you come across a quadratic expression, don't fret. Just take it one step at a time and you'll have it factored in no time.